Let's go to one other price target increase, Nvidia. Morgan Stanley raising the price target from 116 up to 144. And Weiss, you recently just trimmed this one.
Yeah, I trimmed it again, actually. And
wait, twice?
Yeah, twice. Okay. Look, the reason I did is that it's not been a core position. My bad, right? It's been a phenomenal stock. But right now, I'd be hard-pressed to think of a couple of days that have gone by where you haven't seen price target increase. So I don't know if there's more than one analyst who's saying, well, let's hold on here. It's a bunch of euphoria. So if they miss even slightly, the stock gets hit. I'll buy it again at that point. Right now, the valuation is just too high. They're not a commodity company now because they obviously own it, but so many are trying to get in there. I foresee that chip being commoditized. And if you go back to their analyst day and their shareholder day, it didn't really do a lot in terms of talking about Blackwell and the others, right? So, so I just took a cautious approach. You know, Jim, you got to know when to go home.
You own this name as well. Your thoughts?
Well, look, I know it's pulled back, and maybe that has a lot of the naysayers saying, look, see, I told you it was overpriced. I don't think it's overpriced. I mean, obviously, at roughly 40 times earnings, that's expensive for a semiconductor stock, but with the growth rate that it has ahead of it, I don't think so. The PEG ratio is about 1.0. Now, at some point in time, that growth rate will fall off. I think we've got 2 or 3 quarters before the inevitable is found that there's over-ordering, double, triple ordering from customers who then get their orders filled, they have inventory, and then they back off. But I don't think that's where we are now. I think what you're seeing in the stock is just a healthy consolidation that will be the pause that refreshes for the next leg higher. So I'm not inclined to trim it here, but I do think that as you look forward 2 or 3 quarters, there will come a time to trim it.
Liz, I'm going to come over to you. Just your thoughts about the chip trade? I mean, Jim just mentioned there's been a pullback recently. It's hard to imagine there wouldn't be a pullback at some point.
Well, I think we've established that nobody thinks there's going to be some big earnings disaster in the AI trade in the next couple quarters. So then what might the catalyst be? What might be the reason for some of that pullback? If you look at semis versus software, this is a pair that I look at pretty often just to gauge kind of market direction and what the appetite is. Software has taken over quite a bit in the last just couple weeks. Why is that? We talk about valuation constantly. We talk about how quickly stocks run up, and you usually hear the warning of the faster it goes and the higher it goes, the further it can fall. I think investors started to listen. And again, the rational behavior is, okay, I've got a lot of gains over a short period of time. Why don't I trim some of them, lock them in? But I don't want to exit the technology trade. We've seen this rotation before, too. So if you don't want to exit the technology trade, where do you go? You go into things like software. You go into things that would be considered old tech. And that's why you're seeing some other things in the sector catch a bid because they are relatively more attractive on a valuation basis than semiconductors at this point.
Yeah, software taking a bit of a hit. Joe, I'm going to come over to you. Just last word on chips. You have some pretty broad ownership. Broadcom and the GOT, also Qualcomm, NXP, list goes on.
The list goes on, and I think it's important to understand how significant the semi-trade is. The semi-trade is what the U.S. economy is all about. Chips are the new oil. Semiconductors are what drive the tape. Look at the performance today of the S&P. We're seeing a nice little recovery in the price for the S&P. What does it correlate with? It correlates with the fact that Nvidia came out below 119 early this morning. Now we're seeing progressively, as the day is unfolding, buying interest returning into Nvidia, Nvidia pressing towards its high. So if you're trying to understand the direction of markets, to me, everything begins with the semiconductor industry.
All right, SMH basically flat this morning, not moving too much right now.